हाय एवरीवन, नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज की वीडियो में मैं अनबॉक्स करने जा रही हूँ नवंबर का यूफोर्बिया बॉक्स। I'm just gonna unbox this and see what I got in this time's box. Let's just open it and see. Alright, so I see a very different thing. This is the box. This is the Euphorbia box. And I have this really pretty bag which is outside the box. I think it's not inside the box because it's a little bit bigger than the box, so that's why they have packed it separately. So yeah, let's just see the bag first. So this is how the bag looks like. It's really pretty, like it has a gold base. It has some gold, copper, orange and pink embroidery on it. It looks pretty, it just looks pretty. And it has a zipper, and it also has a string which is made of cloth. So this is how the bag looks like. It's really pretty bag, really nice for festive season. You can pair it with some really nice kurtas or sari. So it's a really nice bag. I really loved it. Alright, so that was the bag. So let's just open the box now. Alright, so these are the products. I think the bag is the complimentary because they have the usual bag inside the box. So this is complimentary definitely for the festive season. And here I have the info card, and it says Go Natural November month Euphorbia box, and all the details about the products are written here with their prices. So yeah, so let's check out what products I got. The very first thing is outside the little bag. This is a hair mask. Oh wow, I am planning to wash my hair tomorrow, so I'm just gonna definitely use this, try this, because I really need some repairs to my hair. So this is intensive hair mask, and it has argan oil. It is anti-hair fall root repair formula. Wow. It's made with 100% organic Moroccan argan oil, jojoba oil, bitter almond oil and aloe vera for deep conditioning, healthier, softer hair look, infused with plant milk. Sounds very good and very interesting. Definitely going to be using it. This says that it helps in hair damage, combat hair fall, and it's a deep concentrated conditioning mask, and it is retailed for 460 rupees, and the amount of product I'm getting is 100 grams of product. Oh, alright, so you have to leave it overnight before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. So I really have to, apply it tonight if I have to wash my hair tomorrow. So I'm just gonna definitely using it. Now let's see what products I got in this bag. And this bag is also very cute. Yeah, it's like a camel skin colored bag, really pretty, nice and small pouch. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is a soap, and this is Lavender handmade organic soap, and it's by the brand called Aaranyam. It's 100 grams of product, and it smells weird. I can't smell lavender, it smells weird. I don't know whether it's packed, maybe that's why I can't smell lavender, but it smells very herbal, I would say. Okay, so this Aaranyam lavender handmade organic soap retails for 150 rupees. Oh my god, such an expensive soap. So yeah, that's the soap. Alright, so let's just check out another product, and this is the product, nicely bubble wrapped, this tiny bottle. Alright, so this is a serum. Wow, these days I am loving serums. I have lots of different kind of serums which I'm using right now on my skin, and I can see tremendous amount of difference on my skin just because of the serums. The scars are gone. I used to break out a lot, so that's not happening right now, and the scars are gone. My dark circles improved so much. But for dark circles, I have been doing a lot of things, like including my diet and lifestyle and everything, but all over my skin quality is very good, and I think it's all due to the serums. So this is another serum which I'm gonna use because I love using serums, especially in this season when it's a little dry and it's kind of like a chill in the air, and especially winters are coming. I love using serums at that time of the year. So this is by Case of Good soap, and this is hydration burst serum with floral oils, and this is 10 ml of product, that is 0.33 O's. So yeah, that's the serum, and it's a hydration serum which I really need. Oh, it smells like oils. I think this is like an oil-based serum. I prefer water-based serum because I'm a combination skin, but I do need hydration in this, dry and winter kind of season. So I prefer water-based serums, but I'm definitely gonna try when it's like more winter. So I think that this will work best at that time. So yeah, that's the serum, and this Cape of Good Hydration Burst Serum retails for 1,099 rupees. Wow, so definitely gonna give it a try. Alright, I'm just left with one last product, and which is this one. It looks like a palette. Let me just open. Oh, it's a concealer palette. Wow, this is by the brand called 7 Seas, and it is their Naked 3 concealer palette, chiseled to perfection. It has 6 shades, I suppose. Let me just check out. And the number of the palette is 101. Oh no, it just has 3 shades. My mistake, I'm sorry. So it just has 3 shades. So this is how the shades looks like, and it does come with a sponge tip and a dual-ended sponge tip and brush, which I don't think so it's useful because I just love using my base products with bigger brushes. So these are the colors. I think they are too light for my skin tone. This is more of like a salmony color. This is like a yellow undertone, and this is like really light for me. I'll give it a try and I'll let you know how the palette looks like. It smells very, what do I say? It smells like those foundations when I was a little girl. जब उस टाइम पे foundations होती थी with lots of like fragrance, I used to apply like on the functions or annual functions or something like that. So it's just reminding me of that. Yeah, so it has lots of fragrance. So that's the concealer palette, and this 7 Seas Naked 3 concealer palette retails for 499 rupees. Alright, so in total I got 4 products: hair mask, the concealer palette, the serum and the soap, and plus I got 2 of the bags. One was this one, and the other one is this one. This one is, I think it's the complimentary just because of the festive season. So all in all, I liked this time's Euphorbia box a lot. I'm very excited to try the hair mask and also the serum. So Euphorbia box is a really good box. It's very affordable and you get really good products in it. So I think this is one of India's best subscription box. If you ask me, like it's worth money, I would say. So yeah. So that's it for my Euphorbia box unboxing of the month of November. And if you're interested in buying or subscribing this box, then I will be leaving all the details of this box in the description box. Go and check it out and subscribe it for yourself if you're interested. And if you're watching me for the very first time, then let me introduce myself. I'm Kavya and I make beauty related videos, makeup videos. So you can just subscribe me, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye, and wish you a very happy Diwali.